Good day, Facebook friends. Welcome to today's Gospel sharing, and our Gospel for today is taken from the book of St. Mark, chapter 3, verses 1 to 6. This is about the man with the withered hand who was cured on the day of Shabbat by Jesus. I'd like to share 4 points as a reflection for this gospel. The Pharisees and the teachers of the law were closely watching the action of Jesus if he will cure the man with the withered hand on the day of Shabbat or on the day of rest. They know that he has the power to make miracles and to heal, but they were more concerned about Jesus breaking the Jewish law of working or healing on the day of rest. The Pharisees' knowledge of Jesus' power to heal and to make miracles did not bring them closer to him. Studying or learning is not a measure of a true believer, but having a deeper relationship, obeying him, trusting him, will make us true believers. Second point, we also have our own deformities, physical, behavioral, attitude, spiritual deformities. And when we go to church, we have to offer our deformities to Jesus to allow him to work his miracles and his authority to us. Let us affirm that all of us have deformities, all of us have weaknesses, and that we truly trust in Jesus to help us in curing all these deformities. And finally, Jesus tells us to help each other regardless of the situation, or if it's uncomfortable. He asks us to help anywhere and everywhere. Some of us have selective attitudes for helping other people. We only help those who we can expect a return for our help. But Jesus commands us directly to help others. For those who are still not members of our YouTube channel, please register at Faithbook PH on the YouTube channel, or download the app at Faithbook, or register at www.faithbook.ph. See you soon in our future reflections. God bless!